Hello children, how are you all doing? Children, today we are going to read the lesson The Big Enormous Turnip, and then we are going to do the textbook work also. Okay, so first let us read the lesson. Lesson number 14, The Big Enormous Turnip. Page number 111. Scene: a garden in front of a house in a village. An old man is planting a turnip in the garden. Narrator says, once upon a time, an old man planted a little turnip, and the old man spoke to his little turnip. Old man says, grow, grow, little turnip, grow sweet. Grow, grow, little turnip, grow strong. Narrator says, and the turnip grew sweet and strong and big and enormous. Then one day, the old man went to pull up his enormous turnip. The old man pulls the turnip. He pulled and he pulled, but he could not pull it up. So the old man called out to the old woman. He stops pulling. The old man looks towards the house and asks the old woman for help. Old man says, please come and help me pull up this big, sweet, strong and enormous turnip. The old woman enters. She holds the old man. The old man holds the turnip. They pull. Narrator says, so the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. They pulled and pulled again, but they could not pull it up. The old woman called out to the granddaughter. They stop pulling. The old woman looks towards the house and asks the granddaughter for help. Old woman says, please come and help us pull up this big, sweet, strong and enormous turnip. The granddaughter enters. She holds the old woman. The old woman holds the old man. The old man holds the turnip. They pull. Narrator says, so the granddaughter pulled the old woman and the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. They pulled and pulled again, but they could not pull it up. The granddaughter called out to the big brown dog. They stop pulling. The granddaughter looks towards the house and asks the dog for help. Granddaughter says, please come and help us pull up this big, sweet, strong and enormous turnip. The dog enters. It bites onto the granddaughter's dress. The granddaughter holds the old woman. The old woman holds the old man. The old man holds the turnip. They pull. Narrator says, so the dog pulled the granddaughter and the granddaughter pulled the old woman and the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. They pulled and pulled again, but they could not pull it up. The dog called out to the lazy pink cat. They stopped pulling. The dog looks towards the house and asks the cat for help. Dog says, please come and help us pull up this big, sweet, strong and enormous turnip. The cat enters. It holds the dog holds the granddaughter. The granddaughter holds the old woman. The old woman holds the old man. The old man holds the turnip. They pull. Narrator says, so the cat pulled the dog and the dog pulled the granddaughter and the granddaughter pulled the old woman and the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. They pulled and pulled again, but they could not pull it up. The cat called out to the wee little mouse. They stop pulling. The cat looks towards the house and asks the mouse for help. Cat says, please come and help us pull up this big, sweet, strong and enormous turnip. The mouse enters. It holds the cat holds the dog holds the granddaughter holds the old woman holds the old man holds the turnip. They pull. Narrator says, so the mouse pulled the cat and the cat pulled the dog and the dog pulled the granddaughter and the granddaughter pulled the old woman and the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. They pulled and pulled again. And you know what happened to that great, big, enormous turnip? It came up, of course. The turnip comes out and everybody falls down. All says, sighing, hey! So children, like this you have to read the lesson. So do the practice of reading this lesson and understand it. In this lesson, the old man takes the help of old woman, granddaughter, dog, cat and mouse. They all together pulled out the big enormous turnip in the end. So this lesson is a good example of teamwork as they work in a team. And the moral of this lesson is unity is strength. Okay children, now let us do the textbook work. For that, take out your English textbook New Voices and open page number 111. Children, have you opened page number 111? Okay. Now lesson number 14. And what is the title of this lesson? The big enormous turnip. Now write today's date on this sleeping line. Name the vegetables. Name the vegetables. You have to look at the pictures and name the vegetables. Now see here. This arrow is pointing towards carrot. So let's write here CARROT, carrot. Okay, then this arrow is pointing towards onion. So write here ONION, onion. Then these are potatoes. So write here POTATO, potato. Now here this arrow is pointing towards which vegetable is this? Cabbage. CABBAGE, cabbage. And which vegetable is this? Which vegetable is this? Can you tell me, children? It's cauliflower. CAULIFLOWER. It's cauliflower. Cauliflower. Okay. Now let's see the next vegetable. Which is this? Pumpkin. Yes. PUMPKIN. 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 Okay. Like this you have to write names of vegetables. Okay. Now turn the page. Now children, here your lesson starts. So write read, READ, read. First draw a sleeping line and write READ, read. Means you have to do the practice of reading this lesson. Okay. Now again turn the page. Again one more page you have to turn. Okay. Now let's read this question here. Tick the correct answer. Write it in the blank. Number 1. The old man wanted the turnip to be big, big, or sweet, sweet. The old man wanted the turnip to be big or sweet. Now children, for that let's see these lines. Let me read these lines. See here. Old man says, grow, grow, little turnip, grow sweet. Grow, grow, little turnip, grow strong. So the old man wanted the little turnip to be sweet. So the correct answer is sweet. So you have to tick the correct answer, sweet, and you have to write it here. SWEET, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Okay. Now number 2. The man had a grandson or granddaughter. The man had a granddaughter. So take the correct answer and write it here. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. Number 3. The dog was brown or black in color. Come on children, tell me the color of the dog in this lesson. It's brown. Take the correct answer, brown, and write it here. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Now number 4. The cat was white or pink in color. The cat was pink in color. Yes. Take the correct answer, pink, and write it here. P-I-N-K, pink. Number 5. The dog asked the mouse or cat for help. The dog asked the cat for help. Yes. And cat asked the mouse for help. Okay. So correct answer is cat. Write it here. C-A-T. Cat. Number 6. The mouse was small or big? The mouse was small. Right here, S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay. Now turn the page. Think and discuss. Question number 1. The turnip comes out when everyone comes together. What does this tell us? Now, as I told you, this is a teamwork. Okay, and unity is strength. Now question number 2. The cat and the mouse are friends in this story. In other stories, they are not friends. Find out about such pairs and then discuss in class. So here children, you have to find out the story of cat and the mouse where they are not friends, or you can make the story of your own. You can make the story on your own. Now let's go to the next question. Find the little words hidden in the big words below. One has been done for you. Now number 1, first given word is T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. And from this word we get the little word T-U-R-N, which is hidden in it. Turn, turn. Now number 2, THEY. This is a word which is given. Now we have to find out the little word hidden in this given word. Which word is hidden here? Can you find it out, children? It's THE, the. Okay. You can see here THE, the hidden word. Now number 3, FEEL, feel. Now here you can find out 2 hidden words. Okay, which are they? FEE, fee. First hidden little word is FEE, fee. Then put a comma and write the other hidden word which is EEL, eel. Now children, what is EEL, eel? An eel is a fish. Okay, got it? Now number 3, SLOW, slow. Number 4, sorry, it's number 4, SLOW, slow. Now here which word is hidden? Yes, LOW, low. LOW, low. Now number 5, GROW, grow. Now here which word is hidden? ROW, row. ROW, row. Teacher says stand in a row, or you can say row, row, row your boat. Am I right, children? Okay, now number 6, STRING, string. STRING, string. And the hidden little word is ring. RING, ring. All of you understood? Have you done? Okay, now let's read the next question. Make big words out of small ones. One has been done for you. Now first one, black plus board. Now when these 2 small words we join, we get one big word, that is BLACK, blackboard. Okay. Now number 2, POST, post, plus OFFICE, office. So when we join these 2 small words, post and office, we get one big word, that is post office. First you write POST OFFICE. Okay, so which word we got? Post office. Now number 3, post plus man. Now when we join these 2 little words, we get one big word, which is that. Which is this word? POSTMAN, postman. Yes. It's postman. Now number 4. FOOT, foot, plus BALL, ball. Now let's write these two small words together. FOOT, BALL. Now which big word we get here? Football. Football. Yes. Have you written, children? Football? Okay. Now number 5. MOON, moon, plus LIGHT, light. Now write these two small words together. MOON, LIGHT. And the big word is moonlight. It's moonlight. Now number 6. MAIL, mail, BOX, box. Now write these two words together. MAIL, BOX. It's mailbox. Mailbox. Okay. Number 7. MILK, milk, plus SHAKE, shake. MILK, SHAKE. It's milkshake. It's milkshake. Very good. Children, I hope you have completed the textbook work of this lesson till page number 180. So let us stop for today. In the next session, we will complete the remaining questions. Okay? Bye bye. Keep smiling. See you.